Attention all XRP holders and crypto investors. This is your final warning. This is for Canadians. If you make $1 million with crypto, there's really no way you can get out of paying capital gains if you were to sell your crypto. There's really no way around it. Unless you hold and borrow against your crypto assets, that's the only way you can limit taxes. But obviously you want to capitalize on your crypto and the long-term holding you have been doing. This is why it's so important to have a proper exit strategy in place when you are crypto investing. I bet you a lot of you on this app have no exit strategy currently for if something crazy happened to your portfolio. Are you even prepared to handle the amount of wealth you will generate with crypto? Because if the answer is no, or you think the answer is no, you should probably start looking at solutions. This is specifically for people in Canada. So the number one way to get out of taxes is moving to a tax-exempt country before liquidating your crypto, which can be sketchy because not only you have to move your entire life, but you also have to move in the period while your crypto is up. Right? So you might lose or gain a couple of hundreds of thousands of dollars, maybe millions or 50,000, whatever it is, in the process of moving your entire life to another country. But a little bit less extreme is to just pay the capital gains or the business income on the crypto, liquidate, and then dump your money into a tax-exempt dividend-paying whole life insurance policy, and then borrow out the wealth to then diversify into other investments. That's what I'll probably do. The reason why I would take my profits and dump it into a whole life insurance policy or a large chunk of it is because now I know my money will be growing stably, and I'll be able to leverage that to then buy those real world assets I was talking about. But now I have guarantees in my financial situation, and I'm also planning for future generations to then pass down that wealth tax-free. But you have to understand, there's so many ways to get your money out of a whole life insurance policy tax-free, and you're going to be paying a lot of money in taxes. So wouldn't it be nice to have some ways to get money out tax-free? You can do an immediate financing agreement where you can pull out 90%, if not 100% of the money inside the whole life policy while it grows like you never touched it. Or you use something called a policy loan with the insurance company where you have access to up to 90% of the cash value without actually touching the cash value.